Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny World Kitchen. Today we are going to make besan laddu. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we are going to add melted butter. Next, besan flour. And we are going to mix it. Mix it well until we get some goldish light brown color. Then we will add sugar powder. Mix well. Then we will add kaju pieces. Next we will leave it for some time so that it gets cooled, and then we'll make a. Next we will add elaichi powder. We will mix it well. Next we will make our first laddu is ready. We can also decorate it with kishmish. Finally, our besan laddus are ready.